In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, then one of the few features you want to enable for a start, or the moment you sign into the iCloud account on your iPhone 12 Pro Max is Find My iPhone. This is because you'll be able to track your iPhone 12 Pro Max on the maps in Find My. So this is the Find My, you can see nothing is here. So if I misplaced my iPhone, I'll not be able to track the iPhone, I will not be able to erase my data, I will not be able to ring it, or I will not be able to mark the iPhone as lost. So basically, it is recommended for all iPhone users to turn on Find My on their iPhone. Now, the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on your iPhone settings name. Now, once you click on that, scroll down and locate Find My, click on that. Then tap Find My iPhone. Here, if you have the Find My iPhone turned off, then you need to go ahead and turn it on. This is compulsory if you ever want to use Find My iPhone to track your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then turn this on. Then show support that says Find My iPhone enabled. So this is to tell you that the Find My iPhone is now enabled. Click on OK. Now, if you hit the bar button and open Find My, just open Find My and hang on. Then you should see all your connected devices to your Apple ID account available on the maps. You can see I have my iPhone, which is this particular iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have my Apple Watch somewhere close to me, that's with you. Then I have my AirPod Pro as well as my iPad. So that is how you can easily enable or turn on Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.